Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Minnow Lake, a charming neighborhood in the heart of Sudbury, Ontario. This area is known for its mix of residential streets, busy shopping spots, and beautiful natural spaces. The neighborhood gets its name from the small lake at its center, once teeming with minnows and other fish that inspired early settlers. In the early 20th century, the area began to grow as families moved in to be close to both nature and the expanding city. Over the years, Minnow Lake has become a popular place for outdoor activities, with parks, trails, and the Scenic Lake itself drawing visitors year-round. Its location offers easy access to downtown Sudbury, as well as nearby schools, community centers, and shops. Whether you're here for a walk along the shore, a visit with friends, or just to take in the view, Minnow Lake is a place that welcomes you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sudbury, Ontario.